Very good evening. Here with the latest on headlines today. I'm Preeti Chaudhary, and our top focus story: the release of separatist Masrat Alam now could open the floodgates in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. According to reports, former top-ranking commander of the Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen, Ashik Hussain Fakhtu, could be next to be set free by the Mufti government. Fakhtu has been locked up in Srinagar jail for the last 22 years, making him the longest-serving prisoner in the valley. He has been serving life imprisonment for his involvement in the murder of human rights activist H.N. Vanchu. Interestingly, Fakhtu is married to separatist activist Dukhtaran-e-Millat chief Saida Asya Adrabi. His case is pending before the Supreme Court.
तो जहाँ तक हमने भी पढ़ा न्यूज़ में भी और सम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चैनल्स पे भी हमने देखा कि मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि आफ्टर मसरत नाउ डॉक्टर कासिम विल बी रिलीज्ड। तो मुझे लगता नहीं वैसा, आई डोंट होप सो, क्योंकि जो इन्होंने बना दिया है मैं तो ये समझ रही हूँ कि ये एक स्टेज ड्रामा है, manipulated drama by BJP and PDP.
I want to cut across to Ashraf Bani, who's breaking this news on headlines today. He's joining us live from Srinagar. Ashraf, can you give us details of this latest news break? After Alam, if Fakhtu is released, how will it impact the political relations, the coalition that there is of the PDP, BJP? Trust what happened in Parliament today.
Yeah, Preeti, basically, if we go through the process of the government formation in the Jammu and Kashmir, just after 2 days, the Chief Minister, who is also in charge of the Home Ministry here in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, called the meeting with the high officials of the police as well as with the Home Ministry here in the state, Home Department of the state, and he has directed them to proceed for the process for the release of the political detainees, particularly the separatist leaders. Under that guideline, Masrat Alam was released first, and there is the list of the people who are jailed and may be released. The number 2, as per the sources reveal, is Dr. Qasim and Ashik Hussain Fakhtu, who was arrested in 1993, who was then the commander of the Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen, the banned militant organization here in the Jammu and Kashmir. Since then, he is in the jail. He was booked under TADA at that time. Then the Jammu and Kashmir High Court gave him the release grant, but that was objected by the state government then in 2001, and Supreme Court gave him the sentence of the life imprisonment, under which he is going. But his family claims that under the Jammu and Kashmir jail manual, he has completed his life imprisonment. That is as per the jail manual of the J&K state. At least any prisoner who is going through the life imprisonment has to complete 14 years of the jail term. He has already completed 14 years, even for last 22 years he is in the jail. So that can be a way or a way out for his release. Okay. And if the new PDP government wants to go with its own agenda and own commitment, what they have said during the campaign here, during the elections, that they are going to release all the political detainees, the Ashik Hussain Fakhtu could be another person who could be released if there could not be the pressure from the BJP or the central government, as we are seeing after the release of Masrat Alam, the controversies between the two parties. And now after the today's speech today's statement by the Prime Minister in the Parliament, now PDP has agreed that they are going to consider any decision with the coalition partners BJP here in the state. Now it is very interesting to see whether BJP will allow PDP to release Ashik Hussain Fakhtu or not.
It'll be interesting to see. We'll keep tracking details there. Appreciate Ashraf for joining us with the latest news.